everyone, I'm Cynthia Perez, Director of Admissions for NYU SPS Admissions. Today, I'm excited to share some quick tips on how to craft a standout statement of purpose for our graduate programs. Our prompt is, imagine it has been 5 years since you graduated from your graduate program. Describe your current position and title, your daily responsibilities, and how your degree has contributed to your personal growth and professional journey. Here's what you need to focus on. 1. Be specific. Tell us exactly what you envision for your future. Use real-life examples to explain the type of work you aspire to do. 2. Highlight your connection to SPS. Using what you know about NYU SPS, explain how our program uniquely prepares you to reach your dream job. 3. Be authentic. We want to hear your genuine story. Authenticity is what makes your statement impactful. Your statement of purpose is your chance to shine and show us the person behind the application. Take your time, be true to yourself, and let your passion for your field come through. We can't wait to see how you'll make a difference within NYU SPS education. Best of luck with your application.